Guess who is ill? That's right, me. Physically, I'm ill. Caught a cold off my sister in the worst possible timing ever. I need to pack my bag for tomorrow, but I don't know what to bring. Cause like, I have no idea what to expect tomorrow. It's like training for the library and something else, but so I don't know what I need. I'm packing my bag for tomorrow and I don't know what to bring. I'm bringing this and the notebook. I did my makeup and washed my hair, so I'm feeling terrible. I feel so ill. But my train is in like 40 minutes, so it'll be great. Today will be a great day. By the way, I can't talk, so. So, I'm still very ill. Today is a Wednesday and I didn't do like an update of what happened yesterday, but it was such a good day, honestly. I basically chilled in Starbucks for an hour reading a book. Then I went to the uni and as I was going up, I met this girl who was I met some lovely people yesterday, and I don't know if they're in my classes or not because I had to sign up to my classes. I'll find out today because I have one lecture and one class with my group, because we have lectures together, but the groups we sign up for, they're separate. And so yeah, and then we had like these 2 meetings about their online service and about the library, which really confused me. So I'm gonna try and sign up to the library this or next week. And I think Thursday's lecture is cancelled, or it starts from next week, so I have no idea what's going on. I have half an hour until my lecture. I wish there was a little bench to sit here though, but I can't see one. So I am home now, and well, I came home like ages ago, but I've just been doing nothing. Well, really, I've been writing up my timetable, but I've wrote it all wrong, so I have to rewrite it and like cover it up and stuff. And I think I'm losing my voice. Like, my voice sounds worse. It was just like introductory, like the first half an hour was introductory stuff. I don't know if I'm saying that right. When's the exam? Like, what do we cover and stuff. Actually, she didn't really say what we cover, like exams and stuff, because we have this thing where we have an exam day, and it's a written exam but also a spoken exam, which I just don't know how that's gonna go for me. I'm gonna have to be retaking all these exams, because I mean, if it's a multiple choice question, which she said that there will be, that's good. And like, the exam is from everything that's on the slides and lecture. Yeah, that was kind of it. I do like my class. I haven't spoken to anyone apart from my friend from yesterday. She came up to me because I did not see her. Like, yesterday I really surprised myself, so I just have to keep doing that and just keep thinking that people do want to be my friend. And tomorrow our lecture in the morning is cancelled because it starts from next week, so yay. So you probably won't see much of me tomorrow. Friday I might vlog a little bit. It's gonna be a very busy day. I've just got to be positive, and right now I'm so ill that I'm not even like thinking about things too much. Like I did have two incidents today where like I was starting to freak out a little bit. One was when I realised I was in the wrong place, and like my heart was just, I had tears in my eyes. I was like, no, Anna, you can't do this. These thoughts just kept, my brain just, it started to go into overdrive, and I just thought I was gonna lose it right there and start crying. But I was brave, and instead of crying, I went up to someone, so I'm gonna drink tea for the rest of tonight. Bye. So, a little vlogging update. I ended up going to lunch today in a vegan cafe, and I met two of my friends. Now I'm starting to do some work, finally. It's so pretty here, and I have no idea where I am. I've just gone walking, like, I have no Wi-Fi, I can't call anyone. I'm just walking. I had one lecture and it went alright. It's quite interesting. And I've got 2 hours to my next one. Start off with saying Thursday was a good day. I went to a meal, it was a vegan meal with 2 of my uni friends, and that made me feel happy and reassured that I found some people. But then Friday just kind of just knocked all of that, and it was such a bad day. Like I just came home crying. It was about neurons, and I was like, that is fine. Then it was about the cell of a neuron and about diffusion in the ions and like potassium pump, the sodium potassium pump, which is in A-level biology. And I was just like, how is this relevant? Okay, I get the synapses. So I sat there like, it's cool, I know we've got 2 hours of this, try not to cry. I missed my train, so I had to wait an hour for the next train. And I got home, it was like nearly 8. I went and cried because it made me realise how much I miss my friend. They knew me so well. I didn't have to try with them, they knew me, and they knew that I have these days, and it made me miss them so much. So yeah, and now I'm getting emotional, but Friday was a sucky day, and luckily someone uploaded their own notes onto the group on Facebook, so that's gonna help me out a lot. I don't know, making friends is so hard, and like it's weird how the beginning of the week was good and then it didn't end good. So yeah, that is my first week at uni. I only wrote up one of my lectures. To end this vlog here, you've watched this vlog right to the end. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please let me know. I hope you all have a lovely week ahead of you, and if you're at uni, have fun. I haven't been to any parties. There was one on Thursday. I probably should have gone because then I would have talked to more people, but I couldn't because of where I live. So yeah, next week is gonna be better. I'm gonna convince myself of that, and we shall see what happens. So thank you for watching, and